him to my party. Can I have a cat, please? Meow, 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 meow. My cat isn't there!
So Pulut and Hitam are siblings and they were found at a HDB block when they were kittens. And now they are around 2 to 3 years old. Mommy is a mama cat and she was found with kittens. Don't you think she deserves a good home too? Did you know that calico cats are almost always female? This is because to get this beautiful tri-colored pattern, you would need one orange and one non-orange gene. And because this gene is found on the X chromosome, female cats who have 2 X chromosomes are then able to have calico cat patterns. However, male cats, because they only have 1 X chromosome, they can only have either orange or black fur at once. So this is Needy and he was found in a canal this year. And he's called Needy because he likes to knit. So there are many cats like Needy who need a home and it's much kinder to adopt than to buy a new cat. Needy! Mommy, can I have this cat?
Not yet, but when I get my cat, can you help me bring it to the vet? No, for a general wellness check, the vet can examine the cat and advise us on its diets and vaccinations. And can we also get a cat scratching pose? Cats need to maintain their claws and for mental stimulation. If not, they may scratch the sofa. Yeah, and we also need to mesh all our windows because cats can climb out of windows too. Ah! Hang the clothes! I realized that I'm not ready to adopt a cat. It is a lifetime commitment that requires the consent of everyone in the household. I have thus made it my quest to search for a male calico cat. They are super rare, so by the time I find one, I'm sure I'll be ready to care for it. If you've enjoyed learning about what gives cats their fur color and you want to find out more about genes, you can check out our Young Geneticists Badge program. And special thanks to the Animal and Veterinary Service, a cluster of National Parks Board, for making this video possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Meow!